documented and preserved for further investigation.
As the effects of non-lethal gas canisters take hold, the suspects are forced to exit the vehicle. Taking advantage of the opportunity, the operating team swiftly moves in and employs proper arresting and handcuffing techniques to safely restrain the suspects while maintaining the officer's safety. Once both suspects are secured, the team proceeds to clear the vehicle by conducting systematic search of the front and rear compartments. With the hostage takers successfully apprehended and secured, the operating team accompanies them to the designated marked police vehicle. The suspects are then transported to the nearest police station, where they will undergo proper booking, documentation, and custodial procedures, followed by the filing of the appropriate criminal charges in accordance with established legal processes.
This skills demonstration highlighting the importance of effective tactical communication, coordinated team movement, disciplined use of force, proper arrest and handcuffing procedures, officer safety,